Hi everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. As I promised you, after doing a monthly reading, I am going to go for a live spiritual messages. That means that channelizing messages which I get from spirits, I'll be sharing with you guys for all the zodiacs from Aries to Pisces. Okay, one important thing guys is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation via PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. The second most important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to know about healing messages, like if you want the solutions of something, you have to enroll for the full reading, and then the solutions are already included on those full reading. Okay, and the third most important thing guys is that if you want to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. We are really working hard to cross 1000 subscribers guys, so kindly help us to cross it. Okay, so two important thing guys before starting this video. You have to be careful about two things. Do not make fun of the spirits because I'll be doing it live. Okay, so that means the spirit or the energies will be around me. Okay, so do not make fun of it. The second most important thing guys is that I'm doing it live. Okay, like whatever channelizing message I'm getting, I'll be sharing with all the zodiacs on the spot. Okay, and then uploading will be done for this particular video. Okay, so yes, and the third most important thing guys is that just be careful about it. Okay, whatever channelizing messages you will be getting, it might not resonate with all of you, but it might resonate only with 2% either, or else 3%, or else 4%. Okay, or might be whole to all the zodiacs around the world. Okay, so you need to understand that whatever is, messages I'll be getting, it will be a particular message. Okay, it might resonate with only one person out there, or it might resonate with all the person out there. Okay, so you have to take it however it resonates with you. Okay, and leave the rest. Okay, and also one more thing guys. Okay, these are the messages to keep you in mind that something really important spirits wants to tell you. Okay, like spirits wants to share with you something really important. Okay, and which you need to be focused about. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, do not distract and just be careful about the videos. Also one more important thing, I'll be writing up the time stamp for all the zodiacs, so that you don't have to watch all the full video. You can directly skip the rest of the part, and you can directly go to the particular zodiac reading. Okay, so yes, this reading is from Aries to Pisces. Okay, and yeah, one important thing guys, we have already crossed, like I'm taking enrollments for full reading every single day, minimal like 5 to 7 readings, personal readings I'm getting. So if you want to be a part of the personal readings, you can book out the session for the same. Okay, and comment down below. I'm doing it for the first time live. Okay, usually I do this part when I go for a personal reading. Okay, when I go for a when I do a personal reading, I get channelizing messages from the spirits. Okay, but for the first time I am doing it live. Okay, so yes guys, 1 second, I am bringing up the things. So guys, I bought this pen and a paper. Why? To write out the timestamp, so that I don't have to watch the video again, and I can write out the timestamp when I'm starting, and the timestamp will be given in the description or else the comment box below. Okay, so you don't have to watch all the video, full video. Okay, and you can just check it out, the other things. Okay, so yes guys. So yeah, let's start. Spirits, please tell me the messages for Aries. Aries, you're waiting for something or someone. there is some sort of indecisiveness, okay, when it comes to a particular situation, when it comes to a particular person, okay. Some sort of indecisiveness is going on, and you are going through a lot of anxiety issues, worriness, sadness, stressed issues right now, okay. Some of you might be might involve a third party situation as well. And that third party situation can uh, can be uh, can be solved easily, okay. But you are going through a lot of pain right now, like internal conflicts is a lot, Aries, for you guys, okay. Aries, spirits wants to tell you that focus on your individual stability right now, okay. Do not focus on personal issues right now, because once you, I'm hearing, once you uh, I'm hearing once you you know stabilize yourself, automatically all the situations will turn around, okay, and it will be better thing for you, okay. Like your professional life will improve, and then afterwards your personal life will automatically involve, okay. That what I'm getting in is into spirits, okay. Just focus on yourself. You're having sleepless nights, so spirits wants to tell you that just have a normal sleep, okay, beautiful sleep, okay. Do not be restless, okay, which you are doing right now, okay. So yes, about certain situation, certain person, certain connection, okay. So yes, this was the channeling message for Aries, okay. The next channeling messages from the spirits for Taurus. Spirits are telling me that you are confused as fuck, okay, Taurus. You are highly indecisive. You don't know which path you have to choose. There is a big indecisions going on currently into your life, okay. I think both of things, financial and personal things, are correlated with each other. Like if things are not going on into your personal life, financial life is also getting affected with the same, okay. I'm hearing some sort of stability you are focusing on, okay, but you cannot, because your focus is somewhere else, okay. Some issues or situations, personal life issues are as fuck, okay. You are also somewhere, few of the Taurus are involved in the third party situation. It might involve an in-laws, it might involve a lover, it might involve a friend, it might involve a neighbor as well, okay. So yes, so both of it is interconnected with each other. If one area of your life is not going on well, the second area will not be going on well, okay. So yes guys, that is what the messages I'm getting from Taurus, okay. I'm getting goosebumps guys, because your energies is very conflicted this month, okay, Taurus. Your energies are very 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 heavy, okay. So yes, so let's talk about Geminis. Okay, so yeah, Geminis. Few of the Geminis are focusing on the past relationship, past person, okay. I'm hearing the past lover, okay. So if you are not getting over of your past relationship, you won't be able to move forward. Spirits are telling to me that you need to move forward into your life, guys. You have to leave the past behind, you have to move forward into your life, okay. I'm also getting few of the people in Geminis are really focused about money related issues, about their stability into materialistic world, okay. I'm also getting someone really wants to travel. Okay, someone wants to explore. Okay, out there, Geminians, you want to explore the world, you want to go for an adventure, you are waiting for it. Okay, and because of this pandemic issue, I think you are tied up, or some of the Geminians might be separated with their spouses because of this pandemic or something like that. Okay, so do not worry, things will be better. Spirits are trying to tell me that just work on yourself, focus on yourself, things will be better. Okay, things will be better after 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Next, you might meet, you might go for exploring a new opportunity, new place. Okay, so yes guys. Okay, Cancerians. So Cancerians, few of the Cancerians I am hearing might enter into a relationship, might get rockified, might get married this month. Okay, so yes, all the best and congratulations for the same. Cancerians, your karmic cycle has been ended, and I'm hearing things are about to change 360-degree with new collaborations, new job, new business opportunities, new projects. Things are about to change into your financial world. Okay, if you were struggling from your finances from the last 5 to 7 years, things are about to change on a rapid 360-degree angle. A major shift is about to happen, but not this month. It might take next 2 months as well. Okay, for the changes to be done. Okay, so yes, Cancerians. If you're single, a lover might enter into your life. If you are in a relationship, things will be better. Your bond will be very strong with your spouse. Okay, so yes guys, this was the messages which I was getting from the spirits. Okay, so for the Leos, things are about to change. Okay, if things were not going on better into your marital life, either a past lover is trying to come back, or else a new lover might enter into your life, guys. Okay, and it will change your life for a better, like it will be 360-degree turnaround. Okay, your financial stability, like this will be the month to focus on your financial stability, guys. Okay, you are going through some internal transformation, spiritual awakening majorly. Okay, you are going and understanding a lot of clarity you are gaining when it comes to certain things, certain situations, certain lifestyles. Okay, you will be more involved into spiritual world. Okay, as compared to a practical world. You are digging out a lot of things within yourself, like you are understanding the inner true self, true wisdom within yourself. Okay guys, I'm also hearing that there are angel guardians who are protecting you somewhere. Okay, so if you are getting universal messages, do focus on it. Okay, universal messages, thoughts, opinions, whatever you get in whichever way. Okay, so just focus on it, Leos. Virgos, guys, my energies get heavy, so you need to cooperate with the same. Virgos, if you were worried about your financial stuff, stability is about to happen. There is a blossom in the wealth. Okay, blossoming wealth will be there. Blossoming abundance is about to arrive into your life, guys. People who are dealing with relationships, okay, like I feel that you are not satisfied with the relationships you are going for. Okay, so I don't know, but yeah, relationship issues are there for few of you. Okay, so things will be better. Marital life, if it's not going on good, it's taking time, you need to focus on yourself. Just focus on your stability when it comes to your financial world, financial materialistic world. Okay, so yes, the people who are single and who are looking for the spouses, or thinking about getting married, 2021 will be good for you guys. Okay, 2021 January, you might get offers, or you might get rockified. onto the same dates. Okay, so yes, after 15th of Jan things will be better. Okay, just focus on your stability, and you are doing it. Like you are earning good, and more you are focusing on, crossing the break even. Okay, if you are doing it, go for it, go ahead of it. This is the month for your stability into your financial life. Okay, so another 6 months would be good for your financial stability. Okay, so yes, now Libras, the energies are very heavy, guys, so I request you have to cope up with the same. Libras, if you are into separation, a reconciliation or reunion is about to happen. It's a spiritual connection, Libras. If you are already married and if things are not going on good into your marital life, then there will be a lot of improvements going on into your marital life, but still you have a lot of dissatisfaction and discontent within yourself somewhere. Okay, I feel sad, I see sad faces. Okay, through the spirits, so you have to deal with it, you have to go for it. It's just to reach to a spiritual growth. Okay, independently. So yes, guys, so this will be the time for you guys. Scorpios, if you are waiting for some sort of money, if it is stuck, money will be recovered soon, within 6 months, within next 6 months, before December. Okay, I feel that a large amount of money is stuck somewhere. Okay, and if your stability, if there is no stability into your financial life or into your business. Okay, few of the Scorpios may think to change their businesses. Few of the Scorpios might change the business projects, might involve in something new opportunities, new business, new opportunities, new situations. Okay, if you are involved with toxic people, toxic situations, get away from it, guys. Okay, it's a spiritual message for you. Yes, toxic people are around you, you have to be careful about it. I don't know whom, but yeah. 40. So Sagittarius, if things were not going on good with you guys, okay, if you were worried about your financial stability, things is about to change 360-degree. If you are, there might be a proposal may arrive for a few of the Sagittarius. Okay, proposal for marriage, proposal for being a girlfriend or a boyfriend. Okay, few of you might involve with different things in life. Okay, like new exploring yourself. Okay, few of you might start something new, some creative things you are doing at home, something like that. Keep on doing it, things will be fine. Capricorns, things are not going on. There is no stability into your home life. Okay, fights are going on, external issues are going on, conflict between heart and mind is going on. Okay, a lot of people are fighting around you, I can see that, for some personal reasons or for a particular situations. Okay, things will be fine, you have to cross it, you have to face it. That is what the spirits are telling me. You have to face those situations. Aquarius, Aquarius, if things are not going on good into your personal life, okay, there is a lot of indecisiveness, confusion, anxiety issues, depression you are dealing with. Some of you might be dealing with a third party situation as well, third party situations will be ending soon. But yeah, you might there will be new opportunities, new life, new opportunities are ahead of you. Wait for the right time. There's a divine timing playing its role. You are going through some spiritual awakening right now, okay? So you are going through a lot of healing, okay? And I can see that my energies are right now really very heavy right now, okay? So yeah, you are going through a lot of burdens right now, a lot of conflicts, internal conflicts within yourself, okay? So Pisces, Pisces, you want to get away, you want to walk away from some sort of toxic situation, toxic people, toxic connections, okay? You're going through some spiritual awakening, internal transformation is going on around you. I am hearing things are about to change, okay? You are ready to take a leap of faith, ready to take a risk, and are ready to move forward into your life, okay? Either with a past lover or with a new lover, okay? You don't want to deal with any more shit into your life. You are ready to move on, okay? This is the time to move on into your life, regaining your power and regaining your strength back, okay? And it will happen in the last week of August or else first week of September, okay? Few of the Pisceans might get involved with a, if you are single, then you might involve with a new lover, new person, okay? You are just focused on your stability, financial stability and financial abundance. You are working hard towards buying a house, you are working hard towards buying some sort of a big investment you are working towards right now, okay? Some of you might be dealing with a relocation as well, okay? Or some of you might be planning for a relocation. I'm hearing things are about to change 360-degree, okay? So things are about to get better, Pisces, for you guys, okay? You are going through a hell lot of shit right now, okay? But things are going to get better into the upcoming weeks or upcoming months, okay? So yeah, I think you are leaving the past behind, anxiety, depression, heartbrokenness, and you are ready to move forward into your life independently. Independent energy, I can feel, okay? You have a blockages into your crown chakra, throat chakra, and heart chakra, okay? You need to heal it somewhere, okay? Mind chakra is all about confusions, conflicts, problems, okay? Throat chakra is you are keeping your emotions internally within yourself, you are unable to express yourself, okay? That is a throat chakra blockages. Heart chakra is all about you are not, you have your heart blocked, you are not communicating towards someone freely, okay? I'm hearing that you have to open, you have to accept the love if someone is giving to you. Acceptance of love is utmost important, but you won't be trusting easily, or you won't be sharing your heart easily anymore to anyone. That is what the blockages of heart chakra is all about, okay? So yes, Pisces, this was the reading, and for all the zodiac, I hope you like this reading. This is for the first time I did a live channelizing messages from the spirits reading for you guys. Thank you for loving me, thank you for supporting me, thank you for all the personal bookings you are doing, thank you for all the karma donations you are doing, and I'm grateful to you guys, okay? Thank you so much, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. And also one more important thing, it's a request, guys, kindly comment down below that how was the reading and how was the live messages from the spirits, okay? So it is a very heavy task, okay? I cannot tell you, but yeah. So yeah, this is for the first time I did it, and yeah, thank you so much, guys. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, okay? Bye bye.